Ma'am, at Mindscan, we heard more about ancestral healing. We like to know more about the weight of ancestral curses and wombs.
Thank you for posting this very wonderful question, Vivek. At Mindscan Center for Healing and Inner Transformation, we put a lot of emphasis on ancestor healing because ancestor healing, helps a human consciousness to easily attain freedom to various challenges or difficult situations in their life. Because ancestors, when we honor from our consciousness of our heart and our mind, we are revering to the ancestors, and we also begin to heal with our ancestors when we begin to put our mind to address them. So ancestor healing connected with wounds as well as the burdens or the curse energies of burdens. This I will like to explain with a little bit of client history or a clinical history. Now, certain times individuals may have extreme blocks with finances or relationships or progression in the life. So in regard to this, I had a clinical case of an individual many years ago who had a lot of these challenges: relationship challenges, financial challenges, land related challenges, and difficulties connected with productivity and progression. So when we were working on to the understanding of the ancestors under the guidances of the masters, we got to know and hear about the contracts involving curse with the father figure of the individual. Now this father figure also had a lifetime with the individual in the lineage, in the third lineage of generations. Precisely, we all have 1 to 7 generations that influences our life in a certain way. And when there are challenges present, that means there are ancestral karmas that are present in that lineage, which the individual is role playing. Now one may ask why these issues are present in that individual or have a certain difficulty to specific people. So this reveals about the type of ancestral issue, if it is a single ancestral issue or it is an issue coming from the parental both generations, or it is connected to a soul depth specific with the individual. So in the client history, when we were working with the masters, so we were led towards the understanding about how a past ancestral curse between the parent and the child then was recreated here in the present, because the present was also the exact lineage of the relationship. And as we worked on it, it showed about a big burden as a curse, and that was role played in many aspects, including effect of relationships, career progression, financial productivity, and land progression for the individual. So when we address that, lot of freedom came through, and then the life began to thrive very quickly, positively, and the results and success were accomplished very quickly, like career progression, relationship resolution, land positivity progression. And this involves certain practices of mindfulness, meditative activities, and prayers which have been downloaded and channeled from the source of the light. So ancestral curses, ancestral burden, and ancestral wounds gets repeated back in the consciousness of the present generation, of course, to find liberation, healing, and resolution to the specific patterns. Because for the individual to rise into the path of life, so too they need to resolve it with their own lineage ancestor. And when they address and resolve it with their own lineage ancestor, the ancestor receives progression in the light, thereby bestowing resolution to the individual in the earth trajectory. So ancestral liberation, ancestral peace offering, ancestor healing, and resolution can completely shift the trajectory and the soul journey of an individual's life, because with the various aspects of healing processes, the karmas of ancestors are healed. Thank you.